Hello, today we will guide you through how to authenticate and verify domains in System.io. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on getting to the right place inside your account and setting up your domain so it's ready for authentication and verification. This helps you present a professional brand and improves reliability for pages, funnels, and emails connected to your domain. Start by opening your browser and going to the System.io dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so the settings you change apply to the right account. Once the dashboard loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your account profile. This might appear as your initials, an avatar, or a small profile icon depending on your setup. Move your mouse over the profile area to reveal the account menu. If you're on a device without hover, a quick tap will open the same options. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This takes you into the central place where you manage your account preferences and platform-level configurations. Inside Settings, find and click on Custom Domains. This section is dedicated to connecting your own domain so System.io can serve your pages and associate your emails with your brand. If you haven't added a domain yet, you'll see a prompt to add one. Click Add Domain. If you already have a domain connected, you can still add another by selecting the same Add Domain button. In the domain field, enter the domain you want to use. You can type a root domain like example.com or a subdomain like pages.example.com, depending on your structure. Be sure to enter only the domain. Do not include HTTP, HTTPS, or any slashes. A quick tip: double-check your spelling and confirm you have access to manage DNS at your domain registrar. That access ensures you can complete the verification process later. When you're confident your domain entry is correct, click Save. This creates the domain entry in System.io and prepares it for authentication and verification. After saving, you'll see the domain listed in your custom domains page. The platform will show you the current status and, when needed, guide you with on-screen instructions to complete verification. It's normal for a newly added domain to display a pending status until everything is confirmed. If you make changes later, allow some time for updates to reflect. That's it. You navigated from the dashboard to your profile, opened settings, went to custom domains, added your domain and saved it, putting your domain in the right place for authentication and verification within System.io.